What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm at Evan's house. Well, actually, I'm on Evan's house. Me and Evan are about to jump in the pool, and then later we're picking up people, and we're all gonna end up at my house, and I don't know what's gonna happen then. But this is part one of a two-part video. So yeah, let's get right into it.
If you're wondering what may come from it, once May comes, then we graduate for the summer. Till then, lock in, watch the cake come from it. Pray to God we break 100, and once you get it poppin', watch the hate come from it. Chicks I used to chase come from it. I can ask my bro, he gon' stay 100 with me. I know what they talking about now, and my brody, he got principles, don't often back down. And I think they gon' tell me when I'm off the track now, but as for right now, man, I'm off in this. About to set it off in this.
Oh my god! Why does it hurt so bad? Dylan,
What's up?
it's safe to drink hydrogen peroxide, right? No, like actually, I think you can. No, I'm like dead serious. I think you can. No, like I'm actually, not even joking.
Like not for the camera,
Yeah,
you think
not
you can
even-
drink hydrogen
No,
peroxide?
I actually think you can. Look it up. Keep out of reach of children if swallowed. Get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Dude, I was actually about to do it. Like, no kid. I was actually about to put that in my mouth. I saw it in the bathroom. Like, I want to try this.
Gilbin is up there. Yo! Hey, I'll be up there in a minute. I bet, bro. Look how beautiful this is. Gilbin! Yo! Dude, my friend.
Do it on that side. It's safer. I was kidding. All right.
That could have been dangerous. This man, Evan, always first to fall asleep. Get him in there. Get him in there. Kai, bury him. Bury him.
Just got a point of the booth, ayy. But that shit straight to the booth, ayy. Tell me my help with the fools, ayy.
No, can someone help me?
Alright.
Just get out.
I'm stuck down here.
I got it. Oh, you have the fucking couch.
We put a heater down there.
The heater. I'm like, am I like getting hot or like, is the room getting hot? Am I getting hot? Like, dude, shit. Oh my god. That shit started scaring me, bro. I don't know what that was. I really don't know what that was.
Evan, you think you could kickflip that?
Duh.
Bro, Dylan, I feel like we have to get a nasty snap in.
Oh yeah. Ryan says I haven't done a flip in months. Let me see what I can do, and then does this. Me and Ryan just came up with this crazy idea. We're gonna put his shoe on the end of that skateboard, and I'm gonna kick my back tire up and we're gonna try to catch it.
It's definitely gonna just hit you.
I was going.
Clean.
And then Ryan came up with the idea to try to ride a double-decker longboard. I was not expecting this to work out. Put this one on the bottom. Oh my, yo. Ryan's about to do something bold. We couldn't stack all four, but this is what we came up with. Yup.
Alright, now you need to get someone else underneath you.
Hurry up.
Ryan, get in there. Quick.
On the fucking
Bro, hurry up.
Quentin, just lay on the bottom.
Oh, take it. Move.
I'll be here right now.
You gotta leave.
You know, they call the sheriff right now. You got so. I will say you got.
Yeah, we'll head out.
6, 12, 18, 24, 32.
We're not actually doing it. Bro, just clicks print. Bro, $60. It's 60.
I just ordered 35
Excuse me, sir. We accidentally just ordered $60 worth of cookies. You can scratch that.
Negative on the cookies.
Yeah.
Do you want to pet the dog?
Sure.
Do you not want to pet the dog?
He's adorable.
You can have him.
Oh my god. Dylan, this is never gonna happen again.
Dude. What's his name?
Dude.
Dude?
Yeah.
That's cute. All right, I want to throw some shade at somebody real quick. While I was in there holding the dog, I made some comment like, oh, I'll take him off your hands. And the girl's boyfriend was like, you probably couldn't even afford him anyways. And then he stormed off in the back like a little pussy. Come at me in about 2 months when you can't afford him anymore. When you can't afford to keep taking care of him. I'll take him off you. I'll show you what's up.
Look at that sunset, yeah.